Welcome students. Myself K. Sirisha, working as Assistant Professor in MVR College of Engineering and Technology in Mechanical Department. Today we are going to uh, doing some problems so related to replacement. So first of all, already I discussed the first problem. So that is scrap value or resale value are same. So here that is here our resale value is constant, there is no change of resale or scrap value. So first of all, let us we start the problem. A mission owner a mission owner finds from his past records that the costs per year the cost per year of maintaining a mission whose purchase price is 6,000 or as given below. So here our mission owner finds from his past records the cost per year of maintaining a mission whose purchasing price is 6,000 or given below. Here we are running we are running a mission. In that mission it has been a maintenance. So in here we have 6 years. For the 6 years we have maintenance cost of each year. For the first year of maintenance cost of mission is 1,000. For second year it is 1200, and third year 1400, and fourth year 1800, and fifth year 2300, and sixth year 8200, right? At the same way he also given resale value. Here resale value we also called as scrap value. So for resale value, first year is 3000, second year 1500, third year 750, fourth year 375, and fifth year 200, and sixth year is 200, right? 200. Sixth year is 200. So first of all, what you want to find out in the given problem is determine at what age is replacement due. Actually we have one mission and it is running up to 6 years. In this during these 6 years, which year is best to replace that mission. That is the replacement method. Okay, so first of all we're going to find out the which date we have to replace. So for change the date of change the year of replacement. So let us start the problem. First of all, he has given the purchase cost. What is the cost? Purchase price is 6,000. So purchase cost of the machine is 6,000, and its scrap value we called as S. Okay, scrap value or resale value, both are same. So first of all, in this above table, what he has given: year, maintenance cost, resale cost, right? So now we are take year as taken as N. How many years he has given? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. And maintenance cost, here that we call as RN, whatever it may be. So maintenance cost is 1000, 1200, 1400, 1800, 2300, and 2800. So here we have written here. And total cost or cumulative cost. So total cost or cumulative cost is nothing but sigma of Rn. That is nothing but, first of all, we will start with 100. What the value we have in maintenance cost. Here with total cost we will replace with cumulative cost. Last problem we solve like that. So here total cost is nothing but sigma of Rn. Okay, so here how to find out our cumulative cost or total cost. Here what is the first value of maintenance cost? Just we have to put the value here. Here there is no any change, so take the initial value to place here in total maintenance cost. This is total maintenance cost or cumulative cost. So first let us we start with 1000. So cumulative maintenance cost is nothing but, first let us we start with what the initial value. So here we also total maintenance cost also start with 1000. So next value is 1200 plus 1000 to 2200, and 1400 and 2200, 3600, and 1800 plus 3000 3600, is 5400, and 2300 plus 5400, like a cross here, like this crosses, just cross, add this, just cross. Okay, and 2800 plus 7700 is add to this, and just add. Okay, so 2800 plus 7700 is 10500. So next, C minus S is nothing but purchase price. Purchase price we denoted like in the form of C, and S is nothing but scrap value or resale value. Right, what is our purchase price? C is 6000 minus our resale value. Here we have resale value is changing. In previous answer, our resale value is constant. Resale value or constant, scrap value, both are same. Here our resale value is varying, okay, changing. In our last problem, resale value is constant. So here our up to 6 years C minus S value is changing. So first of all, what is our purchase price is 6000, and resale price for first year is 3000. 6000 minus 3000 is 3000. For second year resale value is 1500. So 6000 minus 1500, 4500. And third year resale value is 750. 6000 minus 750 is 5250. And next 6000 minus 375 for fourth year is 5625. And 6000 minus 200 is for fifth year, that is 5800. And 200, so 6000 minus 200 is for sixth year is 5800. Now we are going to total cost. So what is total cost? Third column. So total maintenance cost plus C minus S column. Okay, add these two values, we got total cost, that is we call as fifth. 1 2 3 4 and 5. 5 is nothing but 3 plus 4. This is total maintenance cost, this is total cost. Okay, so 1000 plus 3000, so 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 4 is nothing but 1000 plus 3000, 4000. 2200 plus 4500, 6700. And 3600 plus 5250, 8850. And 5400 plus 5625 is 11025 rupees. And 7700 plus 5800 is 13,400. And 10,500 plus 5,800 is 16,300. This is our total cost. So first we maintenance cost, total maintenance cost or cumulative cost, purchase price minus scrap value or resale value, and total cost is total maintenance cost plus C minus S values. And finally we got the average cost. How we are going to calculate the average cost is, so our average cost is, what's the fifth column? This is our fifth column by n, that is nothing but n is here what is that, P of n is nothing but this column we called as P of n. This is called as P of n, and just this column we called as 6. P of n by n, n is nothing but number of years. So here P of n is this, so 4000 by, this is first row for, this is first year, so 4000 by first year 4000. 6000 to 700, so which is second year, but 6700 by 2 is 3350. 8850 divided by, which is the year, third year, divided by 3. 8850 divided by 3 is 2950. Like that also 11025 divided by, which is year, which year, fourth year, so divided by 4. 11025 divided by 4, 2756. 11500 divided by fifth year, that is 2700. And 16300 divided by sixth year, that is 2770. And in this average cost we will select the which is least value. Here which is least here, 2000. So here 2056, here 2700. So among all these values, 2700 is the least value. So which value we have least in the average cost, so that year we will consider is fifth year. So in fifth year we will replace the mission. So minimum cost in the fifth year is 2700. So after replacement plan, replacement the mission at the end of the 5th year. So at that, because of after that year we get 2717, so our cost may increase. So in that which is least among all the average value, so average cost we will which is the least, that least we will consider as a year. So that year we will replace the mission at the end of the 5th year. At the same way we are going to calculate, we are going to solve the another problem also. So that is the cost of a mission in rupees 6100 and its scrap value is rupees 100. Here you can observe one thing. Here our resale value has given like various forms, but here our scrap value will not give will not will not be changing, because of our scrap value it would constant, there is no changing. So here resale value changing, here our resale value, scrap value, what are the both are same. But here in this problem, in our first problem also our scrap value is constant, here this problem also our scrap value is constant. Okay, right. If the resale value is varying, so here we mention the resale value also C minus S. Okay, so here our scrap value is 100. The maintenance cost found from an experience as follows. So first of all, here the table given in the problem, here how many years he is given, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 years he has given. And maintenance cost for first year is 100, second year is 250, and third year is 400, and fourth year is 600, fifth year is 900, sixth year is 1200, seventh year is 1600, and eighth year is 2000, right? So first what he asked, so when should the mission be placed? Here he has also same thing, when should be we will replace the mission. So there is anything any confusion. So we have only two cases. One is scrap value is constant, and second case is scrap value is changing. So our first problem, scrap value constant, what the problem we have done in previous class. And second problem we are discussing our resale value, our scrap value is changing. So this problem we have also done. And just like we will discuss the case one as this problem, what the model. So like that, here also our scrap value is constant. So which year we would be replace the mission. So since the scrap value of the mission is 100 rupees, resale value of the mission after a year constant throughout. So throughout our scrap value is constant. The cost required can be calculated as same, what the value. So first of all we'll start with number of years. Here number of years is up to 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 our resale value years are. And maintenance cost, what is our maintenance cost? Here our maintenance cost is 100, 250, 400, 600, 900, 1200, 1600, 2000. So what are the maintenance cost is we will place here. This is our maintenance cost. And next our cumulative cost is nothing but sigma of this. So what the first value of maintenance cost is, just replace this value here and just add 250 plus 100, 350, 350 plus 400, 750, 750 plus 600, 1350, 1350 plus 900, 2250, 2250 plus 1200 is 1450, 3450, 3450 plus 1600 is 5050, and 5050 plus 2000 is 7050. So this is our cumulative maintenance. So just years, and next column is maintenance cost, and next column is cumulative maintenance cost, and next column, fourth column is purchase price minus scrap value. What is our purchase price here? Our purchase price is 6100 and scrap value S is 100. Here our resale value is not changing. Our resale value is constant throughout up to 8 years. Here our resale value is changing up to 6 years. So that is the case 1 and this is the case 2. Okay, right. So here C minus S, our purchase price is 6100 and scrap value is 100. So 6100 minus 100 is 6000. So because of our scrap value is constant, so that is why our up to 8 years our C minus S value is constant. So 6000, 6000, 6000, 6000, 6000, 6000, 6000, 6000. So up to 8 years our C minus S value is constant, right? Next total cost is, so total cost is nothing but cumulative maintenance cost plus C minus S value. So cumulative maintenance cost is 100 and C minus S value is 6000. So that is, this is fifth we say, and fifth is equal to 3 plus 4. So 100 plus 6000, 6100, right? So 6100 and 350 plus 6000, 6350. 750 plus 6000 is 6750. 1350 plus 6000 is 7350. 2250 plus 6000 is 8250. 3450 plus 6000 is 9450. And 5050 plus 6000 is 11050. And 7050 plus 6000 is 13,050. So this is our total cost. So 3 plus 4, 5 is equal to 3 plus 4. So that is our total cost, right? So average cost. So what is our average cost? So average cost TA is equal to 5 by n. So this column we called as 6. Okay, so TA is equal to 5 by n. 5 is this we say. So n is number of years. So 6100 by how many year? It is one first year. So 6100 by 1 is 6100, and 6350 by in how many years? 2 years divided by 2. So 3175. And next 6750, which year? Third year, divided by 3, 2250. And 7350 divided by fourth year is 1837. And 8250 divided by fifth year 1650. And 9450 divided by sixth year 1575. And 11,050 divided by 7th year is 1579. And 13,050 divided by 8th year is 1631. In average cost, among all the values we will choose which is least. So 6100, 3175, 2250, 1837, and 1650, 1575, 1579, 1630. In all this, 1575 is the least value, right? 1575 is the least value. We will select. So 1575 which year? 6th year. So here average TA is nothing but the average cost. Here our average cost is minimum during 6th year, because of 1575 is in 6th year. So here TA is minimum during 6th year. Here the machine should be replaced at the end of the 6th. So which is the least amount in the year? So that is the year we will replace it. Okay, here the machine should be replaced at the end of the 6th year, right? Here another problem is given. So that is, a total owner estimates from his past records that the cost per year for operating a taxi whose purchase price when at a rupees is 60,000 or as given below. So that is how many years of age of machine? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And operating cost is 10,000, 12,000, 15,000, 18,000, 20,000. So after 5 years, the operating cost is 6,000 and K. So operating cost is 6,000 and K. Okay, where K is 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So K denoting age in years. If the resale value increases by 10%, decreases by 10% of purchase price each year, right? Each year. So which is the best replacement policy? Cost of the money is 0. So cost of the money is 0. So first of all, 10% of purchase price. What is our purchase price? First of all, we will take the purchase price. Our purchase price is 60,000. So 10% of purchase price is 60,000 into 10 by 100, that is 6,000. So that the resale value decreases by 6,000 every year. So the resale value, first of all, our machine cost is 60,000. And next year, which what we have, 60,000 is decreases every year. So every year decreases 6,000, which means C minus S value increases by 6,000 every year. So first of all, average annual cost of the taxi is computed as below. So first of all, what the problem as it is same. How many years he has given? First of all, he is given 5 years. Up to 5 years we got the operating cost. After 5 years what will happen? After 5 years, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 5 years our resale value decreases by 10%, right? After 5 years our resale value decreases by 10%. So how many years here we have? 10 years. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to 10 years, right? So first of all, resale value. What is our resale value? So here our resale value is first of all 10%, because of our resale values decreases by 10% of purchase price each year. So first of all, first year we have 60,000 minus 6,000 is, because of our resale value 6,000 it decreases of each year. So first of all, our resale value is 54,000, because of 60,000 minus 6,000 for first year is 54,000, and next they decrease the 54,000 minus 6,000, 48,000, 48,000 minus 6,000, 42,000, 42 minus 6,000, 36,000, 36,000 minus 6,000, 30,000, 30,000 minus 6,000, 24,000, 24,000 minus 6,000, 18,000, 18,000 minus 12,000, 6,000, 6,000 minus 6,000, 0. So that is for resale. First of all, what we have, our purchase cost is 60,000. So our resale value is decreases 10% for each year. So that is the meaning of, for first year 60,000 minus 6,000 is 54,000. So up to 10 years. So up to 10 years we have got the resale value, because of our 6,000 value is decreasing each year. Okay. So next, purchase price C minus S. What is our C? 60,000 minus scrap value or resale value. So that is 54,000. So 60 minus 54,000 is 6,000. Okay, 60,000 minus 48,000, 12,000. 60,000 minus 42,000, 18,000. 60,000 minus 36,000, 24,000. 60,000 minus 30,000, 30,000. 60,000 minus 24,000, 36,000. 60,000 minus 18,000, 42,000. So 60,000 minus 12,000, 48,000. 60,000 minus 6,000 is 54,000, and 60,000 minus 0, 60,000. So that is our C minus S. And next, annual operating cost. What is our annual operating cost? So our annual operating cost is 10,000, 12,000, 15,000, 18,000, 20,000 for 5 years. So 10,000, 12,000, 15,000, 18,000 and 20,000. 20,000 for so 20,000 for so 20,000 for 5 years. So after that our operating cost is, after that our operating cost, what is after that after 5 years the operating cost is 6,000 into K. What is our 6,000? 6,000. So after 5 years operating cost is 6,000 into K. So our K is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, because of our 6th year, 6,000 into 6, 36,000. Okay, and 6,000 into 7, 42,000. Right, 6,000 into 8, 6,000 into 8, 48,000, and 6,000 into 9, 54,000. 6,000 into 10, 60,000. So we have up to 5 years we have. After that our operating cost is 6,000 into, so K is replaces with 6 on 8, 9, 10. After that we have got the 6 on 8, 9, 10 years of operating cost. And next, cumulative operating cost. First of all, what is the annual cost? So just replaces 10,000. So add 10,000 plus 12,000, 22,000. 22,000 plus 15,000, 37,000. 18,000 plus 37,000, 55,000. 20,000 plus 55,000, 75,000. 36,000 plus 75,000, 1 lakh 11,000. 42,000 plus 1 lakh 11,000 is 1 lakh 53,000. 40,000 plus 1 lakh 53,000 is 2 lakhs 1,000 rupees, and 54,000 plus 2 lakhs 1,000 rupees is 2 lakhs 55,000, and 60,000 plus 2 lakhs 55,000 is 3 lakhs 15,000. So next, total cost is 3 plus 5. Okay, 3 plus 1, 2, 3. So this is 3, and 3 plus 5 we got. So 6,000 plus 10,000 is 16,000, and next 18,000 plus 37,000 is 55,000. So like that, up to we will add like that. Next, average cost. What is our average cost? This is our fifth column and divided by year. So 16,000 by 1, 34,000 divided by 2, 55,000 divided by 3, 79,000 divided by 4, 1,05,000 divided by 5, 1,47,000 divided by 6, 1,95,000 divided by 7, 2,49,000 divided by 8, 3,09,000 divided by 9, and 3,75,000 divided by 10. So like that way. So among all this value, which we will select, which is the least value here. So we will select which is the least value. So our among all these values, 16,000 is the least value. So that 16,000 value there belongs to 1 year. So that is the meaning of hence 1 year is optional replacement period. So those are all the problems are important. So thank you, students.